The Industrial Revolution started from 1750 to 1800. In the 1700s, farmers began growing new crops. First, they used a method called crop router, which sucked the water out of the soil. That didn't work, so they started using a seed drill. They used crop rotation. It increased food production and improved people's diet.
Infant mortality started to decrease and mothers got all the nutrients and so as the baby did too. Want better crops? Buy the seed drill today, only $19.99 plus shipping and handling. Call the number 1-800.
The Industrial Revolution began in the textile industry, where a series of inventions created new demands for laborers. Between 1733 and 1793, the spinning jenny was a system that was made to make cloth. The loom/weave turns the yarn into cloth and dyed the clothing. During the early Industrial Revolution, the cities were unhealthy and filthy. Working-class families lived 10 to a room in buildings that lacked water or sewage systems. Diseases spread, factories were dangerous and unhealthy to work in. Young children labored for 12 to 16 hours a day, 6 days a week. Workers were injured or received no sick. By the late 1700s, steam began to replace water as a source of power. James Watt improved the steam power engine. Steam engines gave a boost to two other industries. Advances were made in transportation and communication. Machines were powered by running water. Inventors built spinning mills near rivers and hired many workers to run the machines.
By James Watt improving the steam power engine, the steam engines gave a boost to other industries and the Industrial Revolution got coal and iron. Great Britain enjoyed many advantages that helped to take the lead to the Industrial Revolution. They had plentiful iron and coal resources for good transportation in the system. In 1837, an American inventor, Samuel F. B. Morse, devised the telegraph, which revolutionized communication. The telegraph helped send out messages for people to communicate for the factory. Inventions improved communication. By the government supporting projects to improve transportation during the second stage of the Industrial Revolution, people turned to scientists and they started developing new products, such as they built electric batteries and later electric generators in time to replace steam engines in many factories. The machines were powered by water, so inventors built spinning mills near rivers and hired many workers to run the machines. The new machines led to growth in the factory system, brought workers and machines together in one place to manufacture goods. Great Britain enjoyed many advantages that helped to take the lead to the Industrial Revolution. They had plentiful iron and coal resources. There was an inventor named Thomas Edison that produced the light bulb. In the late 1800s, the invention of the engine used to power automobiles was set the stage for a revolution in transportation. The growth of the automobile industry turned and triggered booms in other areas such as steel, rubber, and petroleum. Henry Ford set up the assembly line for complex jobs of assembling many parts were broken. They developed the corporation and a business owned by many investors. By the 1900s, factories became safer and men and women began working together. The Industrial Revolution ended in 1914 because of the new technology with the blue collar. Blue collar is the jobs people work involving in offices, and they had extended the number of people with white collar jobs, which are jobs like construction working that were more physical. The Industrial Revolution has changed over time with technology to now today to what we have as cell phones, radios, cars, and etc. Also, with the jobs that men and women have.